Okay, what do you do when you lose a deal or you lose an opportunity, and how do you account for it in command? My name is Pete English with Atlanta Perimeter, the Keller Williams office here in Atlanta. And today that's what we're going to talk about. Hopefully, this will be a quick tip for you and it'll help you declutter all of your opportunities. So let's take a look. Let's go. I'm assuming you already know how to log into Command, and you know that your opportunities are the handshaking. If you don't, click the red button, come down to Opportunities, and left click one time. All of your opportunities should launch, whether it's a listing opportunity, whether it's a buyer opportunity, or whether it's a lease. Simply go to the opportunity that you're working. Let's just say that it's one of these right here. We say cultivate. We go to the particular opportunity. I'm making an assumption that you've already created the opportunity, right? So let me go backwards because that's actually not the opportunity I wanted to mess with. We'll go to this opportunity right here. We'll click on the opportunity. And if you'll notice over here on the far right, it says lost opportunity. All you have to do is left click one time and it will lose that opportunity. Now, sometimes people ask me, well, what happens if it's a buy side and we looked at a house and we lost that house, and we looked at another house and we lost that house, and we looked at a third house and we lost that house? Well, every opportunity is its own different deal. So in that case, you would have had 3 different opportunities. So you would have lost the first opportunity, lost the second opportunity, and hopefully you got the third opportunity. So that's all you have to do. Go into the opportunity. In the details tab, simply go over here to the far right and check the box that says lost opportunity and then hit save. That's all you have to do. Alrighty? Hopefully that helped. If I can help you out, let me know and I'd be glad to do that.